We all know the saying, don't judge a book by its cover, because sometimes looks can be deceiving. Just like this graceful bird and this super adorable sea creature. But first, let's take a look at this charming animal found in the land down under. Koala. Koalas, native to Eastern Australia, share some remarkable similarities with wombats, their closest relatives in the animal kingdom. These charming creatures predominantly consume eucalyptus tree leaves, which, interestingly, contain potentially harmful toxins in high doses. However, koalas have evolved a specialized digestive system that effectively separates and expels these toxins from their bodies. Their unique adaptations allow them to thrive on a diet that would be harmful to most other animals. In February 2022, koalas were officially designated as an endangered species, garnering increased protection against threats such as poaching and habitat loss. This recognition highlights the importance of conservation efforts to safeguard their survival in the wild. While koalas effortlessly capture the hearts of both adults and children with their adorable appearance, it's crucial to remember that they are not bears. Rather, they belong to the marsupial family. Despite their gentle demeanor, koalas possess a surprisingly strong bite, underscoring their innate fierceness. If you want to interact with koalas, you should take this into account, because you need to be careful around their jaws and make sure that anyone handling them is an expert. Puffer fish. Many fish may seem harmless, often as a survival strategy. One notable exception is the puffer fish, a member of the Tetraodontidae family, which possesses the potential to be lethal to humans. Despite the fact that it may have made a cameo appearance in the animated film Finding Nemo, it's important to not let its innocent image fool you. These fish, characterized by their inflated appearance, are equipped with 4 formidable teeth capable of piercing human skin, and they contain a potent poison within their bodies. Simply touching a puffer fish can lead to illness due to their poison secretions. The most significant risk of severe illness or fatality arises when individuals consume pufferfish. Despite the high toxicity present in most of their internal organs, certain parts of the fish are considered delicacies in some countries and are edible. However, these culinary experiences are not without substantial risk. We strongly advise caution and recommend avoiding pufferfish altogether if it appears on a menu or in any form. In essence, while many fish may appear harmless, the pufferfish stands out as a potentially deadly exception due to its poisonous nature, making it a risky culinary choice for those unaware of the dangers it poses. Mute swan. Swans share their avian lineage with geese and ducks, and are often regarded as the most exquisite and graceful among these 3 waterfowl species. On the surface, they convey a sense of tranquility. However, within this group, the mute swan, while unassuming in its demeanor, possesses a silent yet formidable nature, particularly among males during the breeding season. It has earned a reputation as one of the world's most dangerous bird species. If you think that male geese are bad, the experience with male mute swans can be even more intimidating. Surprisingly, they surpass other swan species in their potential for danger, primarily due to their lower vocality, rendering warning cries ineffective when they engage aggressively, often targeting the eyes or resorting to biting. Mute swans display aggression when defending their nests and exhibit a high level of protectiveness toward their mate and offspring. Typically, their defensive actions commence with a resounding hiss, and if this vocal warning proves insufficient in deterring a threat or intruder, they proceed to physical attacks. In essence, while swans, including the mute swan, may project an image of serenity, especially when gliding gracefully on water, their underlying fierceness, particularly during the breeding season, positions them as one of the most formidable and potentially dangerous birds globally. Hooded pitohui. The hooded pitohui is one of 3 species of pitohui, and is a small, colorful songbird with a strong beak, piercing dark red eyes, and brilliant black and red or black and orange plumage. Batrachotoxin, a powerful toxin, is found in the skin and feathers of all pitohuis, making them all extremely dangerous. They get this neurotoxic alkaloid from the food they eat, namely myeloid beetles. Batrachotoxin is remarkably similar to the toxin discovered in the poison dart frog native to South America and is one of the most lethal naturally occurring chemicals known to science. As a result, the pitohui has earned its reputation as one of the deadliest birds in the world. The hooded pitohui is the deadliest of the 3 pitohui species. Humans who come into touch with this bird may experience a burning, tingling, and unpleasant sensation from its poison. However, paralysis, cardiac arrest, and even death may result from exposure to sufficiently large amounts. Due to the risks posed by these poisonous birds, it is crucial to exercise great caution and refrain from attempting to capture or eat any bird in the wild. Red fox. Foxes have secured a spot on the roster of the world's 100 most problematic invasive species owing to their remarkable capacity for extensive and rapid spread, mirroring the geographic expansion of humans. Despite their charming visage, which frequently renders them a favored subject of wildlife photography, foxes are undeniably among the most cunning creatures found worldwide. Their adeptness at evading detection allows them to cohabitate closely with human populations, establishing their dominance over all other fox species, save for the Arctic fox, which inhabits regions too remote to compete. The red fox, the largest of the genuine fox species, exhibits a general inclination toward shyness when encountering humans. Nonetheless, beneath their unassuming facade lies a surprising undercurrent of peril. These foxes are notably top carriers of the rabies virus. What often remains concealed and unsettling is the fact that foxes dwelling in close proximity to urban centers have, on occasion, perpetrated not only assaults on humans, but also the abduction of infants and diminutive pets, contributing to their reputation as deceptively dangerous creatures. Duck-billed platypus. The platypus, a creature that defies conventional categorization with its curious blend of features, boasts a duck-like beak, otter-esque legs, and a beaver-like tail. Despite this bizarre combination, it undeniably exudes an endearing charm. However, a close encounter with this species reveals a peculiar trait possessed by males: venomous spurs located on their hind feet, situated at the elbows or knees. This attribute sets them apart from the majority of mammals, as venom is typically associated with spiders, reptiles, and amphibians rather than mammals. During the mating season, male platypuses exhibit an enhanced production of venom, surpassing their usual levels. While the venom they deliver is not fatal to humans, it can prove lethal to dogs and other small animals. For humans, the aftermath of a platypus sting entails enduring effects such as heightened pain sensitivity, known as hyperalgesia, and muscular atrophy. Despite their adorable appearance, male platypus wield this unique venomous defense mechanism, adding a layer of intrigue and caution to their otherwise charming demeanor. Leopard seal. Seals are undeniably adorable creatures, and the leopard seal, in particular, possesses a unique charm. However, there's an ominous aspect to this species, a carnivorous appetite for blood. Although its primary diet primarily comprises penguins, the leopard seal has exhibited an alarming tendency to actively pursue and hunt humans in aquatic environments. With its substantial size and formidable power, it's no surprise that it has earned the name leopard in its common name, signifying its predatory prowess. Engaging with leopard seals, especially in the context of scientific study, always carries inherent risks. These creatures, while typically displaying curiosity toward humans, can swiftly turn aggressive when provoked, potentially dragging a human beneath the waiter's surface. This risk was tragically realized in a well-known incident involving a marine biologist who met a drowning fate. Furthermore, leopard seals indirectly pose threats, as they are notorious for attacking the black pontoons of inflatable boats. Thus, while their charm is undeniable, these seals command caution and respect in their presence due to their potentially perilous behaviors and actions. Deer. The deer, a beloved creature in popular culture, is often perceived as either timidly fleeing from sight or falling victim to hunters. However, what is frequently overlooked is the sheer size, speed, and power of this species. In fact, recent statistics from the past have classified the deer as the deadliest animal in America, accounting for an average of 120 human fatalities annually. In comparison, the bear, often feared, claims an average of just 1 human life per year. The majority of these deer-related fatalities result from automobile collisions, a problem exacerbated as human encroachment into their habitat continues. In rare circumstances, such as a recent occurrence in British Columbia, deer have displayed unusually aggressive behavior when displaced from their natural habitat. They have been known to attack both humans and dogs, although it is believed that their actions are primarily driven by a desire to protect their vulnerable fawns. These instances highlight the deer's hidden potential for aggression and its ability to pose a threat to those who inadvertently intrude upon its territory, serving as a stark reminder of the complex and sometimes perilous interactions between humans and wildlife. Slow loris. The slow loris, a primate species, boasts an undeniably cuddly appearance, and at first glance, it seems like a docile creature. However, it possesses a remarkable and unique feature. It is the sole venomous primate globally. This distinction places it at the pinnacle of animals that appear cute but conceal a vicious side. Furthermore, it ranks among the most venomous creatures on the planet. What's astonishing is the source of its venom. It's found within its elbows. When combined with saliva, this venom forms a deadly concoction capable of inducing anaphylactic shock and proving fatal. In the animal kingdom, visual cues often serve as warnings of potential danger. However, this rule doesn't universally apply, and several seemingly cute animals conceal their true ferocity. Whether they are quietly fierce or surprisingly dangerous, these creatures, due to their weaponized body parts, substantial size, and venom, defy the typical appearance-based assessments of danger. Encounters with these animals often lead to painful lessons, underscoring the fact that all animals harbor the potential for danger, with some maintaining a hidden and genuinely terrifying side. Poison dart frog. The poison dart frog, a tiny amphibian native to Central and South America, is renowned for its vibrant skin hues adorned with intricate patterns. While these colorful markings might be visually appealing to humans, they stand out starkly in the natural world, serving as a warning to other creatures to maintain a safe distance. These frogs possess the extraordinary ability to exude an exceptionally potent alkaloid toxin through their skin, a formidable defense mechanism to deter any misguided predator attempting to consume them. There exist multiple distinct species of poison dart frogs, each varying in the potency of their toxins. Among them, the most formidable can unleash a toxin potent enough to fatally harm up to 20 humans with a single secretion. This distinction elevates the poison dart frog to the ranks of the most dangerous creatures that deceive with their charming appearance, luring admirers with their appealing aesthetics while concealing a deadly secret. See you all next time.